Loads of things on my desk, but we are going to deal with this bad boy today. ZB2L3 version 2.2 battery capacity tester. A simple board with digital display designed for capacity testing of batteries. It can test batteries in the range of 1.2 to 15 volts with max 3 amps of discharge current. The board is equipped with a clear and bright digital display scaled in ampere hours, but don't worry, decimal units are enabled, so the smallest unit the device can measure is 1 milliampere hour. You should not need less unless you are an employee of a nanobots industry. The max this device can measure is 10 kiloampere hours, and I really doubt that you will ever go there, as getting there at 3 amps would take you ages. You can calculate it and write in the comment below hours, days, weeks, or maybe months or years. Let me know in the comments below. Turn the bell notifications on to get all of my reviews. The board needs power supply that comes in the form of a micro USB that will run on 4.5 to 6 volts. To my surprise, the device is decent quality. You cannot expect more at this price tag. To get your device fully operational, you will need a couple of wires and a couple of resistors. For testing of my 18650s that I ripped off from an old laptop battery, I decided to use 25 watt 4 ohm resistor with a small heatsink. They are cheap and you can find them on the internet, affiliate links below. If you wish, you can always go for more expensive ones, but I am happy with the cheap Chinese resistors that I got a couple of months ago. As you can see here in this very motion picture, I did not assemble my testing rig with much precision. I simply tied the wiring to the resistor and I used 18650 housing set that was supposed to be used in a different project to connect the wires to my 18650s. Manufacturer of this device gives clear warning about polarity of the battery, so make sure that you are not plugging the 18650s the wrong way, as that may burn your testing device and you will have to get another one. When your testing arrangement is ready, plug your micro USB into the device and power up. Remember about the correct polarity of your testing cell and plug your 18650 in. All you need to do now is to program the discharge voltage level, press OK button and you're ready to go. I mean, your battery is being discharged, and depending on the resistor that you are using, you will wait a couple of minutes or maybe hours. The 18650 that I got of old laptop batteries turned out to be fully capable, and I was getting around 2 ampere hours of them. It is around 2000 milliampere hours. If you have a number of batteries for testing, you can always get a couple of these testers and run a couple of tests in the same time. Well, now it's time for the final grade. This very good product is getting 98 out of 100. Why 98? I would add two small things to it. First of all, it would be lovely if we could program the module ourselves to do whatever we want through the USB port. And the second thing is, maybe Wi-Fi connectivity would be handy, so we could control the battery discharge online. That's it for tonight. Remember to subscribe, write me a comment, even if it's not nice. That's it for tonight. See you next time. Turn the bell notifications on to get all of my reviews. Well, I'm gonna get some more of my favorite 18650s from these old laptop batteries. And you remember to write me a comment below. And see you next time. Bye bye.